Hello people, happy Holi, and that's my little son in the background with his hula hoop. So it's like today being Holi, I'm all set to. It's 10 in the morning right now, and I'm all set to hopefully go for these celebrations. And before which, I thought I might as well finish my quota of 25 videos a day. So yeah, people. In this particular video I have to say this that like I was saying that among different products I found which is the best. So for me, among kajal, I've seen this Himalaya kajal works the best. It's like compared to even these other bigger companies in the market, Himalaya thing, when you apply it on your eyes itself, it feels good. Like sometimes it's like your body is telling you stuff, right? So but the only thing being it tends to smudge a little, so that's the only little drawback. But otherwise, see, like, to do a recap, among toothpaste you have Miswak, which is the best. Among perfume there's a Layer Water Girl, simply since you can see the perfume, like, the quantity. And then what else? Among lipsticks there's this vegan lipstick that Color Bar has it. And there's this other little company that you would find. I found that outlet in the vegan cafe, which was it's called Smart Alec in Banjara Hills. But otherwise, Color Bar is good. So yeah, this is like a whole recap session. So anyway, people, thanks for watching and please subscribe.